Picture this. A farmer stands in a field, smartphone in hand, accessing the power of artificial intelligence to predict his crop yields with uncanny accuracy. The future of agriculture isn't just here, it's in the palm of your hand. Welcome to the Fields of Innovation YouTube channel, where smart farming starts here. Discover the future of agriculture as we dive into the world of machine learning and weather-based yield prediction. For centuries, farming has been at the mercy of Mother Nature's whims. A sudden drought or unexpected flood could wipe out an entire season's work in the blink of an eye. Traditionally, farmers relied on gut instinct and historical averages to estimate their yields. But in today's rapidly changing climate, those methods just don't cut it anymore. Enter the game-changing world of machine learning in agriculture. Machine learning, or ML for short, is like giving a computer a farmer's intuition on steroids. It has a branch of artificial intelligence that allows systems to learn from vast amounts of data without being explicitly programmed. In the realm of agriculture, ML takes everything from past yields and soil conditions to intricate weather patterns and uses it to predict future outcomes with remarkable precision. Imagine an ML model that can analyze decades of weather data alongside crop growth results, then forecast how this year's rainfall and temperature trends will impact your harvest. Unlike old-school statistical methods, ML can handle the complex, ever-changing relationships between variables, adapting as new information rolls in. It's like having a crystal ball for your crops, but one based on hard science rather than mysticism. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the field, whether it's the single most crucial factor in determining how well your crops will fare. Temperature affects everything from seed germination to when your plants will flower and ripen. Too much heat, and you're looking at crop failure. Rainfall is the lifeblood of agriculture, but too much can lead to flooding and root rot. Humidity plays a role in plant health and disease susceptibility, while sunlight drives the engine of photosynthesis. When extreme weather events like unexpected frosts or prolonged droughts hit, they can throw a wrench in the entire agricultural cycle. That's why accurate yield prediction is so dependent on keeping a close eye on the sky and having top-notch forecasting tools at your disposal. So, how exactly do these ML models work their magic? There's a whole toolbox of techniques, each with its own strengths. Regression models are great for spotting straightforward relationships, like how rainfall affects yield. They're simple and easy to interpret, making them a good starting point for many farmers. But if you want to dive into the deep end, neural networks and deep learning algorithms are where it's at. These bad boys mimic the human brain, capable of crunching massive datasets with complex relationships. They can analyze how climate and soil interact over multiple years, giving you insights that would take a lifetime of farming experience to match. For those dealing with noisy agricultural data, and let's face it, when is farming data not noisy? Random forests and ensemble methods are your best friends. These techniques combine multiple decision trees to improve accuracy and reduce errors. It's like having a whole team of expert farmers working together to make predictions. Now, this isn't just pie-in-the-sky theory. Machine learning is already making waves in fields around the globe. In the U.S. Midwest, ML models are helping corn farmers predict yield variations across vast stretches of land, leading to smarter decisions about fertilizer use and irrigation. Down in Australia, AI systems are accounting for extreme droughts and heat waves, giving wheat farmers a clearer picture of what to expect come harvest time. And in Asia, predictive models are integrating monsoon forecasts to help rice farmers nail down the best planting schedules and water usage plans. These real-world applications show that predictive modeling isn't just about knowing how much you'll harvest. It's about making smarter decisions every step of the way, from when to plant and irrigate to when to bring in the combines. The benefits of AI-based yield prediction go way beyond just improving accuracy. For farmers, it's a game-changer in terms of financial risk management. When you have a good idea of what your yields will be, you can plan your investments in seeds, fertilizers, and equipment with much more confidence. It's like having a financial advisor who knows your fields as well as you do. But the impacts ripple out far beyond the farm gate. Food distributors and retailers can use these forecasts to prepare their logistics and pricing strategies. And at the government level, accurate yield predictions enable policymakers to get ahead of potential food shortages or surpluses, bolstering national food security. Of course, no technology is without its challenges. One of the biggest hurdles in applying ML to farming is the quality and availability of data. Many regions around the world lack reliable historical weather and yield data, which can limit the accuracy of these models. There's also the issue of making these tools farmer-friendly. Most ML models require some serious tech know-how to operate, which can be a barrier for many farmers. Then there's the question of cost versus accessibility. Advanced AI systems and the sensors they rely on can be pretty pricey, putting them out of reach for smallholder farmers, especially in developing countries. Finding the sweet spot between affordability and performance is key to widespread adoption. But despite these challenges, The future of AI in farming looks bright. As climate change makes weather more unpredictable, AI will play an increasingly critical role in helping farmers adapt and thrive. We're moving towards a future where yield prediction models are integrated with real-time data collection from IoT devices, drones, and satellites. Imagine drones monitoring crop health from above, while satellites track soil moisture across entire regions. This tech isn't just about boosting yields, it's about creating more sustainable food systems. Machine learning can support precision agriculture, where resources like water and fertilizer are used with pinpoint efficiency. This reduces waste and environmental impact while ensuring we can feed a growing global population. In conclusion, machine learning is revolutionizing the way farmers predict yields and manage their operations. By harnessing the power of weather data and advanced AI models, farmers can reduce risks, increase efficiency, and make agriculture more resilient in the face of climate change. The message is clear. The partnership between farmers and technology innovators isn't just beneficial, it is essential for feeding the world in the coming decades. So, whether you're a farmer looking to step up your game or a tech developer passionate about solving real-world problems, now's the time to get involved. Farmers, start exploring the digital tools available to you. Tech developers, focus on making AI accessible and practical for the folks with their boots on the ground. Together, we can cultivate a smarter, more sustainable future for agriculture. The fields of tomorrow are being planted today. With data, with innovation, and with the power of machine learning,